What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm gonna do something different here. I got this pre-ran metric GM of some sort. I don't know what year it is, but we're gonna end up doing a complete build on it, get it back to running shape. Just gonna run probably a stock small block Chevy turbo 350, 10 bolt BIA with 488 gears, bolt on pinion brake, all that stuff, and then we're gonna raffle it off on the on Facebook or whatever. And I'll do the whole build here on YouTube, show you guys every step of what I'm gonna do to it, get ass rolled up and all that stuff, make the cage a little safer and better than it is. Just to reckless limited weld rules now, so a 10-inch bumper bracket and 5 6x6 1/8-inch plates per rail. This thing got front horn got deleted on it. We're gonna fix that up, spruce it up, throw brackets on it, shorten it back, put a seam welded 74 Chevy bumper on it, get the arms welded down, all that stuff, straighten it out, probably cold tilt it in the side rails or something, but I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna pull the body off now, and then I'll show you guys a little bit better angle of the frame, see all the places that it bent. I believe this car ran the Loop City team show a few years back. I believe, I'm not 100% sure. Bumper's seen better days, but so I'll keep you guys updated.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys, as you see, we had a great time pulling the body off. But this will give you a little better idea of what happened. I'm assuming that this is worse at one point, because I've never seen one just crack and stay like that, so I'm assuming this is back. But this rail doesn't look bad. It's got a little give there, but so this will get, since it's a pre-ran car, it'll get five plates per rail plus a 14-inch bracket, or 10-inch bracket, sorry. I'll grab a tape and show you kind of how far back, because we can cut to the, I believe it's the front of this hole, and I'll put it on this side. So let's say the front of the hole, cut it back to about right there. Go. yeah, so that'll be a 10-inch bracket because we're going to do a top bracket on this. That leaves about another 10 inches between the bracket and the front arm. And then we'll get a 2x4 arm strap. That will go up here somewhere. We'll get rid of the chain. Do some arm work to get it down further because it's still got the factory bump stop in there. It's never been altered slightly to get more height out of it. It's factory shocks in there. But running an arm strap. Not sure if we're going to go top, middle, or bottom yet. Probably the top. Repair plate there for sure. Seeing that horn started dimpling there, but that should be able to be fixed with all this. We'll push it back out, weld it up. 10-inch bracket, plate, arm strap. Probably keep the factory motor mounts in this one. And then the front 4 body spacers, I'm going to go to steel spacers. And everything else will remain the factory rubber stuff. We're putting 1/2-inch body bolts in this. And I think I'm going to do 2 plates on the S-curve somewhere, and then maybe 1 on the back side. I'm not sure yet. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll get the rear end rolled up again, do another notch about right there, get it to keep going. We got a 10-bolt bolt-in axle rear end that me and my brother ran a few times. It's got a 488 gears in it. We're gonna do our small 20-inch tires like what's on our Chaos cars. So it'll have 488 gears. These little tires like those, 20 inches tall. Not sure if we're doing 27 skids up front or what yet exactly, but it'll have decent bumper height. We're gonna get the right height set in the back, kind of where we want it, and then we're gonna tilt it, do the front suspension, throw it on a trailer, cold bend it, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, show you everything start to finish on this car, show you guys when we pull the motor training out of the other metric. That will also be a part of this raffle deal. I think second place winner will get a fresh metric, no motor training, everything else. But so that's all for this portion. This will probably just be 2 halves, 1 long video, not sure. Probably do updates here and there, but so please like, subscribe, and follow for more content. Thanks.